12:25 on September 5th. And I am just sitting here. I made myself a sandwich, meatloaf, with the cicotta bread, I think, from Sara Lee, potato chips, and pickles. That's my lunch. And it's raining today. Hopefully we get to jet out today. My nephew and his girlfriend and his brother, her brother, is coming up. I'm not doing much. Just sitting here, eating the sandwich, trying to edit. It is a cloudy day here, and it's been raining here all morning. But yeah, that's my plans for today. Just being lazy and trying to get the jet out and stuff. But anyway, yep, that's my lunch. I am about to go edit. Daisy's here somewhere. Hi, you want a piece? But anyway, my mom made meatloaf last night for dinner, and I have some for lunch. She always makes a big meatloaf so I can have it for several days. For sandwiches when I want it. And I also got potato chips. But yeah, that's my plans for today. Just being lazy and edit, and hopefully we pull the jet up. My nephew's coming up to help us pull the jet out because I can't drive it, like I said. Hopefully, we do that today, soon. But I have a little hitch on the back of my red golf cart to pull the trailer around in the yard and stuff. Hopefully, we get to do that soon. Yeah, that's our plans for today. My dad's plan, because I can't drive it because I don't have my license for it. But anyway, I'm gonna go edit. Daisy's here. Give her some part of my sandwich. And it's just a lazy, rainy day here. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow on September 6th. But happy Labor Day weekend, guys. And I'm gonna go edit. I'm gonna go for now. Go feed my face, and yeah, talk to you when I do something productive. I'll come back when we do something productive, and I'm gonna go feed my face. And yeah, bye. Oh, hi guys, it's me, Sam. It is 5:02 on Sunday, September 5th. It's been a few hours since I filmed. We did get our jet out of the water. And yeah, it's sitting over at our neighbor's house, which I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's out of the water. The water was a little chilly. It's been a few hours since I picked up the camera. My nephew and his girlfriend and her brother came up to help us with the jet and everything. But my nephew is the only one who can drive the jet. It fired right up, which is so good. Took it down to the ramp. First off, before they got here, I got the golf cart out, the red golf cart. You guys see in most of my vlogs. I don't really film on the golf cart, but anyway, I got the trailer. I pulled the golf cart out, backed the golf cart in the yard, so I can put the trailer down on the road so my dad can take it down to the ramp. My nephew, Nate and me were all on the golf cart on the way down to the dock, make sure it started, and it did. It fired right up. Took the cover off the the jet, and yeah, did all that. Make sure it started, because we haven't my nephew hasn't run it in a few weeks. I wanted to make sure it was gonna start, and it did. My nephew and I pushed off the jet, unwrapped the jet with the little hook on the front, and then my nephew Nick went down with the jet. Nate and me went down into the golf cart, parked the golf cart at the main marina, not the main marina, Lakeside Marina for a few minutes. Then my dad picked me and Nate up in the truck, from the golf cart to the truck, so I was the only one in the water today, besides my nephew. And then my nephew drove the jet up on the trailer, the little trailer we have for it, and then did all that. And now it's 5:06 now. My mom is making onion potatoes, chicken with gravy, and mashed potatoes, like store-bought potatoes, heat up potatoes, and that is what we are having for dinner. It's still a rainy, cloudy, chilly day. Then I took a shower. I'm all freshened up. Now I'm here filming an update thing for the video. I feel bad for not posting, guys. I'm sorry. I am having a little problem with my MacBook, of course. But I have this adapter hooked up to my laptop with my hard drive for the video. And now I'm here starting to edit, and my dog is taking a nap. We had a little bit of company. They left because it was raining again. And then I'm here editing. And Daisy's here taking a nap, of course. We had an exciting afternoon, guys. Hopefully I will film more swimming. Tomorrow is my last day of filming water vlogs, because Tuesday we have to pull our docks out, like the finger part where it goes on our side of the dock, and then we crank our docks in. And then we put them in our winter position for the winter. And summer's completely over now. Tomorrow is the last day of summer. Tomorrow's Labor Day. Memorial Day. No, I think it's Labor Day. I think Memorial Day's in May. I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah, that's my update. I'm gonna go edit. I will take a picture of my lovely dinner. And sit here and edit all night. And go to bed. But yeah, I'm gonna go, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me for a while. Let me jump off on my computer. Let me unlock my Apple Watch. Trying to get my camera to set because I don't have my tripod on my camera. I wanted to tell you guys, thank you for almost 300 subscribers. I'm getting there, but not fast enough. This is for my American Truck Simulator truck game. But anyway, I'm gonna log into my MacBook. Since hopefully when I get my new one, it will be into the power button on my new laptop. Hopefully I'll get that soon. Okay, and my new video, my updated vlog is up. Go watch it after or before this. But I'm gonna go. Oh, let me go. Oh, let me go tell you how many subscribers I have now. I'm going to my YouTube. I'm going to my YouTube. Oh, I only have 3 more subscribers to get to 300. I am at 297. Thank you, you guys. You guys are my big supporters. But yeah, I need 3 more to 300. But I'm gonna go edit for the rest of the night. Stay tuned for updates on my Instagram, and yeah, and stay tuned for my live update video on my Instagram. But I'm gonna go, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.